Good evening to you all. On behalf of the American Institute of Architects, I want to welcome you tonight. The American Institute of Architects, The American Institute of Architects, AIA, was founded in 1857 in New York with the intention of creating an architecture organization that would promote the scientific and practical perfection of its members and elevate the standing of the profession. Similarly, our European chapter, AIA Europe, which will soon celebrate its 23rd anniversary, seeks to reach out and present unique opportunities of cultural exchange that will further the development of today's architecture practice while increasing the dialogue among communities. To BIM or not to BIM? That is the question tonight. Out of all the topics of interest for us in the building profession, why choose technology? Why were you drawn to tonight's lecture? Either designing large projects or one single family home, either working with an international firm or a local niche studio, we experience that the processes of design, planning, and building have increasing complexity, new requirements, economic pressures, and tight deadlines. High-quality projects have to be built with maximum efficiency, minimum waste, and at record times, even if decisions are made by teams collaborating around the globe in real time. Interdisciplinary interfaces have to be defined, negotiated, and communicated to optimize knowledge and understanding as a basis for collaboration. For these tasks, BIM, Building Information Modeling, was developed and has become an increasing definite tool for architects worldwide. So many questions, many complex questions arise when we speak about BIM. Is the use of technology more important than ever? And can it really prevent failures, cost explosion, or quarrels at an early stage? Can technology empower us if we commit to it? Commitment is very important. Discipline is very important. Or could it jeopardize the innovativeness of the design process? And on a more personal level, can technology increase the success of our specific project and of our unique practice? Our three speakers tonight will address these questions. Professor Hector Camps visits us from Miami. He's the founder of Phi Cubed. He will discuss BIM in the realm of what is known as end-to-end collaboration. He will use one Miami project as a case study. I also live in Miami and I work in Miami, and that is one of the reasons why we're picking a project from Miami. Miami is experiencing a boom in construction. Miami is an interesting example of collaboration among international developers, financial groups, architects, engineers, and designers. There are competing projects of all sorts, from offices, residential projects, public buildings, and there is a competition for best design, for cost, and for affordability. We have in Florida one of the strictest construction costs in the United States because of the very stringent hurricane codes and humidity levels. Miami, for instance, Miami housing is extremely expensive and is very hard is very difficult for young graduates or for younger couples to buy something in the Miami area because of the really expensive costs. Therefore, many firms, engineering firms, architecture firms, are looking to BIM as a solution to decrease costs. So Hector will speak about the Miami Brickell City Center, a project by Arquitectonica, and the journey of that firm into using BIM internationally. Boris Bere, our next speaker, he's from the Netherlands, and he believes BIM offers a path towards an integrative approach. Process, policy, and people have equal consideration and are glued together by communication. Philip Eckhoff from Morian Realities will show how BIM can be sexy. He will speak about merging BIM and visual communication, bringing emotion into BIM. A good conceptual strategy can assure that the essence of each space is transmitted in an adequate manner, in a way that people beyond our profession, beyond architecture and engineering, so investors, financial institutions, and the end user can easily understand a project. So to BIM or not to BIM is tonight's question. I would like to thank all the people that have made this project a reality tonight. Philip Eckhoff, as a co-organizer and founder of Modern Realities. Professor Hector Camps, a co-organizer and speaker, founder of Phi Cubed Miami. Gonzalo Portabella, co-organizer and also founder of Modern Reality. Boris Bere, our speaker. Olesia Yefinov, our Euro Board Secretary. I also want, even though they are not here, the principal and the project manager for the Brickell City Center from Arquitectonica. They put a lot of effort into giving us information that we will present tonight. I want to thank also Dunia Bucci here from the EDES venue. And finally, I want to thank Kai Liebert from Glom Logistics for being our sponsor tonight. So welcome again, and here we have Professor Hector Camps.